Okay, we are back. We just had a lightning strike literally just down the road, and there was a huge bang, unfortunately, and we did get a big bang. I'm just going to see if everyone is back with me. We've had a lightning strike just down the road, and everything went absolutely crazy. I don't know what's happening right now, whether you can hear me or not. Whether we've lost all internet. I'm not quite sure what's happening right now. I don't know if anyone can hear me. Are we back? Yes. Okay. Can everyone hear me? We are back live again, and we had a huge lightning strike literally just down the road, and I wonder if everyone can hear me. This may be a struggle to get the broadcast out, but we will do our very, very best. Is everybody back with me? Come into the chat. Let me know you are with me. We had a lightning strike just down the road, and there's a huge bang. And I hope Liz Smith comes back and she's all right. If you are back with me now, let me know you are here. And as all this is happening, Virgin Galactic is exploding. And it was basically the news that I was talking about. Wow, what a bang that was. That made me jump. Okay. Yes, I am running on backup power. But what happened is the electric shock that was sent, literally, even though the power did not go out, it absolutely reset internet, even though the internet never went out. I guess the electric pulse crashed everything, but nothing in my studio went off. I have backup power. But anyway, did you buy the dip? Yes, I did. Of course I did. I always do. Right, is everybody back with me now? I hope everybody returns safely. Okay, look, we're up 2.53. We're really pumping now into the last 15 minutes. The S&P is going up. Typical Friday before the close, pump before crashing on Monday. No, not at all. This is not a typical Friday at all. Normally Friday, everything sells off. And we had 3 weeks in a row now where it's gone green. This is not a pump. This is good. This is a solid growth. This is not a bad thing at all. This is exactly as expected. So what happened to your phone? I jumped in the swimming pool with the phone in my pocket. Car crash of a market. What happened? We went off air. Because we had a lightning strike down the road. You head back to Texas and you start breaking the infrastructure. Hey, Paul B's here. How are you, Paul? We literally had a lightning strike just down the road. There was a huge bang. The power doesn't go off here because I've got backup internet and backup power. But what it did do is send a shockwave, which knocked everything out anyway. You can't get around that. One hell of a bang. Let's hope we're done with that. Anyway. Bloody hell. Well, that was a bit silly, wasn't it? What, jumping in a swimming pool with your phone in your pocket? Yeah, probably. Yeah, you're probably right. Right. Tesla still going down, despite I'm up so much. So what is going up? We know what's going up. Everything I bought the bottom of. Look at that. Microsoft oversold. Look at that. I told everybody this. Right, I'm going to make videos on this because this is absolutely critical that I mention this, because this is exactly what I was saying and no one listened to me. No one believed me. They thought I was barking mad, and that's fine. I don't mind that. But I knew I was right. Here we go. So, very, very important this. Let me bring this in. Let me go into my production screen and bring this in, because I knew this was going to happen. It was obvious, and everyone says, no, you're talking nonsense. Facebook's going to zero. And I went, no, it's not. Absolutely not. So here we go. Breaking news on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Exactly as predicted. 100% certain. Meta has gone back up. It started to go back up. On a day when everything sold off this afternoon, it is one of those stocks that hasn't gone down. In fact, there are 3 other companies that have behaved exactly the same. If it's your very first time here, please smash the like button, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I bought and am holding Meta, Facebook, of course. Meta, without a shadow of a doubt, whether you like Mark Zuckerberg or not, is the best value stock on the stock market right now, period. People do not like Mark Zuckerberg. They think Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot. This is the guy who invented one of the biggest businesses and the biggest networks in the world, Facebook. They didn't like him when he invented it, but they jumped on the bandwagon. That is not investing. That is just FOMO. Fear of missing out when something seems to be working. I don't do that. I invest what I believe is good, and I stick with my principles. If the fundamentals change, fair enough. The fundamentals haven't changed. All that's happened is he believes the future is the metaverse, which I don't believe. I don't even like Facebook, but I do like making money. And what happens here is he's spending a lot of money, and they've got plenty of money to spend, so it's not a problem. They've got no debt. They can afford this, and they can pay off. They can stop spending money on Meta in a heartbeat. Very, very easy to stop spending money. And the moment they stop spending money, this stock is going to go up to $200 a share. If, however, the metaverse is successful and it works out to be great, the stock will be $400 a share. Meta, Facebook is a cash cow. Whether you believe in the metaverse or not, whether you believe in Mark Zuckerberg or not, the facts are metaverse is huge. And I'm going to prove it because the best 3 companies in the world right now all sold off because of ad revenue, period, not the metaverse, and they're all coming back today when other stocks haven't recovered. Shall I quickly show you? First of all, Microsoft. I bought all the dips on that one as well. And the other one is Google, exactly the same, and they're all doing the same thing. I bought them all on the dips. They're all going back up again. So there you go. What do you think? Tell me I'm an idiot. Tell me I'm wrong. Go below the video and tell me in the comments that I'm wrong, that Facebook is not the best investment you can make. There you go. Facebook, Meta, I've been buying it all the way down. I now own, it's now 5.63% of my portfolio, 55 shares. It's a huge part of my portfolio. I used to have about $100 of Meta, but now I've gone all in. And I've just had somebody in the live video go, here it is, look, Martin, you're an idiot. I love it. Fantastic. That's Paul B, one of our crypto experts who's joining us live. This video was made during a live video. So smash the like button. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There's that one. Let me do a quick ticker for that one. Let me do a big thumbs up. I like it. Let me get that right. Okay. Oh, wrong way round. There's the thumbnail for that one. And also the other one, exactly the same situation, and that is Microsoft. Microsoft, exactly the same situation. I love it. I love the fact that Paul B came in. You're getting a bit cocky, Martin, with this I knew 100%. If you really knew, you'd have gone all in on it. I have gone all in on it. If you only knew how little money I've got in the bank. Remember to stay humble. And by the way, all in means 100%. 22, I am all in. I am absolutely all in. And more than all in. I couldn't be more all in. I apologize if it comes across as cocky. It's not cocky at all. It is confidence and it is belief, and I expect it to go back down before it goes up. Don't misunderstand me. I am 100% all in. Oh, am I all in on Meta? No, that wouldn't be sensible. That would be irrational. That would be an imbalanced portfolio. Of course, I'm not going to have all my money all on one stock. That would be stupid, and I hope I'm not a stupid person. Anyway, let's another one. Quick, another one. Another one is important to get out. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. 3 stocks that got beat up the last few days. Meta, Microsoft, Google, all tech stocks, all ad revenue based stocks, all got beat up because of the global market and fear and unwillingness to wait and have patience, all got sold off. You could argue that Meta was because of Mark Zuckerberg and the metaverse, but I don't buy any of that. And they've all come up today when a lot of my other stocks are down today. All 3 have done very, very well. So I'm looking at this now. Microsoft, I've been buying huge dips. I'm down 5.64. I would have been down about 20%. And I can share with you the positions I've been buying, why I've been buying them. So I bought another share at 225, then I went another share at 220, then I went another share at 215, and I've got another order placed at 210. I honestly strongly believe that Microsoft, Google, and Meta, some of the best companies in the world, are dramatically oversold, and I believe they're going to come back, and we've been given a gift. I wish I was around in the investment world about 10 years ago and have bought all of these. Unfortunately, I wasn't. So all I can do is buy the lowest prices in history for me. And that is, I set limit orders to buy at the lowest price I've ever paid for each stock and keep lowering it when it goes down. Now, as someone just mentioned to me a few moments ago, don't get too cocky. This is being made during a live video. And I just want to address that. I do expect this to go back down again. But what it shows you is the sentiment is there that people think it's oversold, that people are buying it because they expect it to go up. They might scalp trade it. But if you compare this to the rest of the market today, when other things are still down, Meta, Microsoft, and Google have all been consistently up today. Look, there's Google. There's Microsoft, and there's Meta, all behaving exactly the same. So don't get me wrong. Please don't misunderstand me. I'm not a fan of Facebook. I don't believe in Meta, but I do believe, and one thing I do study more than anything else, having performed and toured 195 countries as the World Piano Man, is learning about the psychology of people. At the end of the day, it's people that are driving the market. If people are selling, the stocks go down. That's it. People are greedy. People are fearful. Right now, people are desperate for money. And as someone just said, you would be all in if you were 100%. I am all in. I'm all in and then some. That's an absolute fact. There's nothing in my bank account now. I've wiped myself out. I used to have $1,500 in the bank. It's all gone. I've got just enough from what I earn on YouTube, which is about $10 a day now, to pay the internet, the phone bill. Now I've got to buy a new phone because I dropped it in the pool today. But that's another story. But Microsoft, Google, and Meta, I believe, are a gift right now. And if I show you my overall portfolio, this is my situation right now. Look at that. We was dramatically down today. I'll show you. But Meta, Google, and Facebook have saved my portfolio today. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Am I an idiot? Should I be buying Meta? Should I be buying anything at all in this bear market? Smash the like button, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Microsoft, Meta, Google, they are all my hot buys. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let me do a ticker right now. And there we go, that way around. Here we go. Okay. Okay, there's my ticker. Martin was on holiday. Stock going up doesn't mean people are net buying it, especially after a 20% drop. It's much more likely to bounce is due to shorters closing their positions, thereby bouncing the stock. Okay. Either way, it's going up, but I take your point. I don't know. No one knows who's buying what right now. Of course, we have technical data which shows us a certain amount of information, but no one knows for sure why a stock is going up. Otherwise, we'd all know exactly what was going on, and no one would ever lose anything, would they? But I take your point. And thank you for doing that. And I apologize if you thought I was coming across as cocky. Then that's the very, very last thing I want to do. And I understand how important that is for the success of everything that we do here. So please do accept my apology if I offended you in any way. All right, let's go through to this last one. I want to get this one done as well. Okay. Breaking news here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Google up today, 3.6%. 3 stocks are my top stocks: Meta, Google, and Microsoft. All have held up today and been climbing all day. Why is that? No reason other, in my opinion, it's only my opinion, that they were oversold. They are all in the ad business, and right now, because of inflation and recession looming and the global economy the way it is, people aren't spending the way they would normally spend advertising on their businesses. Makes perfect sense. So these companies that rely on ad revenue are down, but there's more to it than that. Much more. Mark Zuckerberg on Facebook was slammed for the metaverse. Awful. One of the biggest disasters, one of the biggest wipeouts on the earnings the other day in history, because the metaverse. Well, this guy is the guy who invented Facebook. So in my book, he's a pretty clever, smart guy. He might be right. And if he's right, Metaverse will be $400 a share. If he's wrong, however, he can turn the tap off at any moment and the stock will go up. So this brought down, as does when one EV company like Tesla come down, so does Rivian, so does the other EV stocks. We see it all the time. So we saw Google, Meta, and Microsoft all crash down. What I did, I started buying in. I was already in Microsoft, already in Google. I wasn't that much in Meta. In fact, I was in Meta by about $100, $200, hardly anything. I don't like Facebook. I don't believe in Meta, but I do like making money. And for me, I saw it as an opportunity. So I've been buying the dips all the way down. Every time Meta steps down, Google steps down, Microsoft steps down, I buy some more. So there we go. Google and Microsoft and Meta in the last few hours are up significantly, and overall that is what's holding my portfolio up. And so there you go. This is my position right now. I'm up 3.18. We are 1 second to go. The bell has just gone. We are now in the after hours on a Friday. This is the 3rd Friday in a row. Confirmed. That is information from Church of Logic, one of my members, friends, and investors and traders here on my show. 3rd Friday in a row. And remember, Friday should be a sell-off Friday because people don't want their money in the stock over the weekend. So there we go. Google just down 0.01 in the after hours so far. But what do you think? Am I crazy to buy all these tech stocks? The Mangs are now being classed as sources of funds for new innovative businesses. Or are they the old guard? Are they the great stocks that you should own and never sell? In my opinion, they're the old guard and you should never sell. I don't believe these companies are going anywhere. Smash the like button. Leave me your thoughts below. Tell me what you think about Google. Am I right? Should I buy and hold these stocks, or are they all going down? Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's have a quick ticker on that one there. And let me just sweeten that up a little bit. There we go. Okay, quick thumbnail there. Okay. All right. Let's get back and wind up where we're at. Just couldn't make that. Judge throughout my eviction, by the way. Let's have a look. The judge threw out my eviction. Is that good news? So your landlord can't throw you out. Is that what you're saying? We've got Bill's birthday as well. His mum's birthday. I haven't forgotten. Is that what you're saying? Paul B's here. What a surprise. We all missed. Cash is sometimes the best position in a bear market. No, my cash is always working. Everything's in. I was spying on you from a distance, says Paul B. High verbal IQ, Shad. High verbal IQ. Who's got high verbal IQ? Yes, Crag. Meta could go a lot lower. What's the meta with you? Oh, very good. I like that. Picked up some Microsoft and Google on the dip. You can check by looking at the open interest short position on a stock. It is reduced. It means it's short closing. Thick 20. This is SIC 22. Can you send me the link to that information that you're getting so I can look into that? Couldn't make the Lucas party. Had to be in Manchester earlier in the day, says Paul B. Intel and IBM are better than Google if you want true value. Maybe you're right. I sent you a message on WhatsApp, Tom. So many other better companies to invest in. I call it trading 101 when I see portfolios full of S&P stocks when they're already investing in the ETF. Martin was on a holiday for October. A stock going up doesn't mean, 22. If you can send me that. Yeah, so is that good news? Yes, landlord was told my eviction is voided. Fantastic. This is great. Great news, everybody. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate our dear friend, Church of Logic. Church of Logic. This is awesome. He's not being evicted, which is bloody good. I'm very happy about that for you, Church. I couldn't be more happy. That's brilliant. There we go. Nice one. I don't think you're... Oh, good. I thought I'd upset 22. I don't think you're cocky, Martin. Just an observation to stay humble. You're dead right. Do you know, it is fundamentally one of the most important things. And as someone who's worked their entire life trying desperately to build a public performance type business, I am fully aware that being humble and respectful of your audience is the most important thing. And I think you're absolutely right with that. Right, we've got birthday for Bill. This is so good for church. So good. Right, Bill, are you still here? Is your mum still here? And we'll do that now. Now, for those of you that have come back, we went off air because we had a lightning strike just down the road. Huge bang. I have backup internet and backup power, but when you get a lightning strike like that, even though everything is connected, I'm on the internet, it sends a shock. And unfortunately, it knocked me out. Even though no power went out, no internet went out, it sent, I don't know how you just best describe it, like a shock-wave, and it took everything out. But nevertheless, thanks for coming back. So apologise for what happened there. Yeah, Pat, I was on 40 on the 6th of October as well. I'm back live now. Ed Nivius, happy birthday. So we're going to do it now. So basically, a couple of things we're going to do right now. 81, we'll have to talk her on how. So, on Sunday at 6 p.m., okay, which is 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern, 11 p.m. UK time, I've got a gentleman coming round to the studio who is in his mid-80s for a birthday surprise. And I said that I would go live on my Martyn Lucas channel and sing him happy birthday, and invite all of you. It would make his day, week, month, year, life. He's in his mid-80s. He's a friend of mine. So I'm going to ask you now, can you join me Sunday night for George? It's his birthday. He's going to be sat next to me at the piano. We'll do one song, happy birthday. Hopefully you can make it. I'll give you the poll there. And it'll be on the Martyn Lucas Music Channel. So I'll put a link in the community tab on the Martyn Lucas Investor, this channel, and that'll give you the feed for Sunday. Okay. Wow, I checked my portfolio and space is up 7%. Yes, I know. Isn't it good? Yesterday I said it would pump hard. You did. So this is what we're going to do. Is everybody with me? Is everybody with me right now? What we're going to do, we're going to do Bill's birthday in a second. What's happening here? We've got a little problem here. That's better. We're going to do Bill's birthday now. I am now broken even. Fantastic. Renate. Right, this is what's going to happen. I now rank number 1 for SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic, and I know that Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic will see what we're doing. Last night on the earnings, we had one of our record-breaking nights. We had people all over the world tune in. It was amazing. I was so amazed by it. So what I've decided to do is record a song for Virgin Galactic with Virgin Galactic words, release it on the Martyn Lucas channel, and because I rank for it, and Virgin Galactic are all about Richard Branson music and marketing, they will find it. I'm absolutely sure. And what I will do, all the money, all the profit I make from the video and the single, the Virgin Galactic song, all the studio will be dressed up as Virgin Galactic. I will buy the stock with the profits of Virgin Galactic. So that will be a great story for Virgin Galactic, right? So I expect the video to go viral with your support and help, and I will continue to buy with all the profit I make from the music. So if I make $1 million, I will spend $1 million on Virgin Galactic. The stocks will go up, the promotion for Virgin Galactic will go up, everything around Virgin Galactic. And today some of my videos have been trending and on Virgin Galactic, and the stock is going up and up. So I want this to go to $100 a share. I want to fly on Virgin Galactic, and the only way I can do that is do a song which promotes Virgin Galactic, the dream, the journey into space. And as I say, if you all help me and support me, I'm sure that we can have success for it. I'm sure Richard Branson and Virgin will see it and it will promote it. And then what I will do is the profits I get, every single penny of profit I get from that video, and you'll see what it is, because the more views I get, the more shares of Virgin Galactic I will buy and hold them and drive the stock up. So that's my idea. What do you think of that? There you go. Let's have a look. So, I am Bill. Can we all come line up in the studio and sing along? That would be good, wouldn't it? I want all my members to be involved. I absolutely want all my members to be involved. So what I want to do is I want you all in some way to record singing to the track and send it in, and I'll put everybody in the video. So all my original members and original people that were involved in making of this channel, I think not only is it going to blow up the channel, this channel and the music channel, it's also going to make everybody a lot of money with Virgin Galactic, and all we've got to do is share and watch the video and like it and pass it around. That's it. I think we've got the power to do it now. And I want everybody in the video, yeah. You love this company as much as I love Ford. I like making money. I like making money, church. More importantly, Ed Nivius. I like the idea of space. I like the idea of, I love what Richard Branson does. Any of that stuff. So, yeah. Ed Nivius says, how? Okay, we'll definitely share. The thing, when you say how, it's the fact that Virgin Galactic, I now rank above Virgin Galactic for Virgin Galactic. They will see it. Virgin Galactic will see what we're doing, and the marketing team of Richard Branson will see what we're doing. Yeah, screw it. Let's do it. Go space. I know, I've got that. I've already got that. I love that. I think that's brilliant. I think Church mentioned that to me today. It might have been you, Stephen. One of you two mentioned that to me. It's a brilliant idea. I want that to be in it. Right, we got day trader of the day. Let's do that. Plus, we got the birthday as well for Bill. When Bill is ready, we'll do it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Nice. Doing it. All right. I'm up on Space, Hood, BRKB. I don't know where Bill is. Has Bill got his mum here yet? Yes. Okay. Nice. Sharing now. How can you share now? We haven't done it. I haven't recorded the song yet. What are you doing? What are you sharing? What are you sharing? I tell you what you can share. What you can share. Last night for the Virgin Galactic After Hours party, we had this private video. It's for members only. There it is in the chat. Only members. Yes, on phone. Lovely. Does Branson have any interest in space now other than Virgin brand name? Yes, he does. It's his legacy for this to happen. I absolutely know. I've worked for Richard Branson before and the experiences, and I know he'll be watching. He'll watch it. He'll see it, and I know he'll get behind it. I know how Richard Branson works. So I've got no doubt about it whatsoever. Copying the links, so hopefully more come in. All right. Okay. Well, there be source mentioned in the song. She still doesn't understand. Why did he sell his shares? I've no idea why he sold his shares. Maybe he knew it was going to go down before it went up. That's what I would have done, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? I sold my shares at 15 and 20 and then took a loss and then bought back lower. Makes sense, doesn't it? And you don't have to own the shares to be passionate about it anyway. When she hears it, she will get it. Okay. Right then. Let's pump out the smoke. We're going to do happy birthday for Bill, and then we've got day trader of the day as well. This is Bill's mum, Renata. All right, absolutely not. If it was my own company. Why? Why is that? If it goes back down, you can buy it back up again. I gave her your fan spiel. You gave her the fan spiel. Right. Okay, let's do it. Is Shad in the stream, by the way? Is Shad here? If you are Shad, I want to make sure that you got your money. I want to make sure that you're here in the stream. So anyway, let's do it for an out. Sent link to about 80. I don't know. Awesome. Well, I haven't released the single yet, so I don't know what you're sharing around. But thank you very much for sharing whatever it is you're sharing. I appreciate it. Right. So here we go. We're going to bring up this page here so Bill's mum can see the live for today. Okay, brilliant. But we're going to record a song. That's what I was talking about. Here we go. We're going to put this up now. So everybody now can scroll down for Renata. Wishing Renata a happy birthday. Okay. Still learning. You know more about this than I do, Ed. What you on about? Dude's a meme. Fermented pickles. Dude's a meme. Who's a meme? Who's a meme? Right, you ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to go over now to the piano and we're going to sing for Renata. It's Bill's mum. So this is very, very important, right? Bill's mum. So we want happy birthdays. Here's Real Ray. Real Ray, you've just missed our big announcement. Oh, dear. Everyone smash the like button and let's see all the chat going down the outside of the live chat. All right, I want happy birthday. It's Bill's mum. Are you ready? LOL, not YouTube. Well, what are you promoting then? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. This is Bill's mum. So a happy birthday for Bill's mum. Are you ready? We want to bring Bill's mum into it. I want as many happy birthdays to Bill's mum as possible. That's what we want. You ready? So let's get it going. As many as we can. Okay. And if you've not smashed the like button yet, I don't know what's going on. Okay, here comes the happy birthdays. All right, let's do it. Renate, this is your birthday from your son, Bill. Thank you very much for giving us Bill. We do appreciate it. Some days, not always. So Renate, I believe it's your birthday today. So this is for you from your son, Bill. And we're going to sing you happy birthday now. So here we go. This is to Bill's mum. It's her birthday today. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Bill's mum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Renata. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Renata. Happy birthday to you, to you, diddly bum, bum, bum. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Bill's mum. Happy birthday to you, do diddly bum, diddly bum, diddly bum, bum. I've no idea why these diddly bumps have come in, but it's quite funny, right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bill's mum. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, Bill's mum, Renata. I hope you all enjoyed that. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Bill, for being here every day with us, supporting the channel. Thank you to your mum for giving us you, because we all love you and appreciate you every day. And there you go. Thank you so much for being a fan and a member of our family from the very beginning. Renata, happy birthday to you. I don't know how you put up with him. All right, let's get back to closing up the show today. All right, let's get back. Here we go. All right, let's get back to it. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I left the happy birthdays on. I left the happy birthdays on. Got to get rid of that. There we go. Okay, there we go. Sorted. So there we go. Let's come back to our main positions. Happy birthday, Renata. I hope everybody enjoyed that. The overall position, we're up 2.58. Let's now do day trader of the day. Let's see who is up. And so what do you think about Virgin Galactic? We're going to make the song. We're going to promote the company. We're going to promote everything. And the money I make from the video, I'm going to buy infinite amount of Virgin Galactic stocks. All the profit I make from the video, the Virgin Galactic song, I am going to buy Virgin Galactic stocks and hold them. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So if we all share the Virgin Galactic video song video, pop video, whatever you want to call it, and Richard Branson, so Virgin Galactic will get behind it, I'm sure, and we will drive the stock up, and I will hold it. Okay, good. Fantastic. Let's go and look at our stocks to close the day. Google moving up, fantastic. Microsoft moving up, as is Meta moving up as well. Brilliant. Up 2.53. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's see how many people are with me. Right, we've got only 15 likes and 30 watching. Right, let's get to 30 likes in 1 minute, and then we'll do day trader of the day. We got our cat now. If you want to be in our cash giveaway next Friday, we gave away 2 prizes today. We did our cash giveaway today, and we also did our star prize as well. We do that every Friday. So if you want to be in on it next Friday, you need to sign up for the free newsletter, which will come out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any point if you don't want it anymore. Here is the weekly newsletter. This is your last reminder before Sunday newsletter goes out. So if you want it, there is the link for the newsletter. And remember to always search for the email, because it does your verification email, because it always goes into the junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. There's the email, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. All right, the link you are looking for is this one here. All you got to do is put your email in there and verify it when it comes through to you. Okay, very, very simple. That's your last chance if you want to be in next Friday's cash giveaway. Fantastic. Right, but in the meantime, we're going to finish up with the day trader of the day. And there we go. Now then, if you didn't get a chance to see last night's Virgin Galactic After Hours party, members only video, here it is. There is the video if you want to see it in the chat right now. Good stuff. I am up 6.5%, says Stephen Lewandowski. Let's get into day trade of the day then. All right. So I'm up 2.5 today. Up 2.5%. And we'll put a minute on the clock after we have got 30 likes. I'm not going to give away any more prizes until we got 30 likes. There we go. Smash the like button. Let's see how many likes we can get. We're up to 19 likes and 30 now. We need 30 likes. Smash the like button. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe as well. Let us know you're here. There you go. Here comes Mr. Mini-Me. We've got to get at least 25. At least 25 likes. There we go. We got 20. 30 seconds to go, and then we'll do day trader of the day. I'm so pleased at Church of Logic. You had to go to court today and fight to stay in your house. How unbelievable is that? Unbelievable. Here we go. Let's close out the timer. Whoops. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? I'm pressing like 20 buttons at once. That's not good. That's throwing me to chaos. There we go. Get rid of that. Okay, here we go. Crystal ball. We shall continue to prosper. Brilliant, no matter what. Brilliant. Absolutely great. Okay, here we go. Put your scores on the doors, please. I am up 2.5. Let's see who wins today. I haven't won for months. It'd be nice if I win today. I never win. Right, here we go. So 1 minute on the clock. And away we go. You guys going long on space? I think it's a no-brainer. Yes, we're going long on space. And I'm going to work and promote going into space with my own song with Virgin Galactic, the marketing team, and get it right up there. And the money I make from the video, I'm going to use it all to buy Virgin Galactic shares. There you go. And if you all watch it and promote it, the more stocks I buy, the more it goes up. So up 1.1, up Crag is up 0.12. Let's have a look further down the list. No more scores. Ed Nevius posted plays in yours and my channel. Nice scouts, got them all. Fantastic. Up 12.05. Dexter Sickles has absolutely smashed it. How the heck are you up 12%? How can you be up 12%? Space isn't even up 12%. Oh, I guess it. You've been doing options. It's the only way you could have done that. Yeah. Absolutely out of trades, but posted moves today. Congratulations, Dexter. Wow. So, first of all, thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Absolutely awesome. Thank you very much indeed. And here we go. Congratulations to you. Very good. There we go. Up 12.05. I have other stocks too. Yeah, but I tell you what, that's a great result. Congratulations to you. Well, there we go. The end of another week here on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Thank you very, very much for being here. Congratulations to Shad, who won today, and Crag, who won today. I've sent the money to Shad. He's got his money. Crag is I'm waiting to read what Crag says about his prize, and I will send it to him. Awesome stuff. So that's it. Very, very good. Up 2.72. Happy with that for now. Let's see how we start next week. See how we end up. The S&P 500 is up. Virgin Galactic is just slightly down in the after hours, but still up. Virgin Orbit, I told you how this one trades. I don't like it. I went to the space station. I don't like how it's going. Even though I love the stock and the technology, it's the way that the stock trade. I don't like the way the stock trades. Anyway, that beside the point. I've got an order of Tesla to go through at 201. I'm not going to pay a penny more until it does. Because the last time I bought a Tesla, I think was, I bought at 205. I bought 205. So I'm not buying it until it goes to 201. I'm not going to buy a penny more. Anyway, there we go. Rivian, Lucid, Arrival. Look at Huddy chart if you can at 55 yesterday. I'll take a look at it after I finish, Ed, because I'm wrapping up the show now. We're going to go. I just need someone to say, roll the credits, and we are done. I think we've covered all the birthdays, all the events. How many people are coming tomorrow night or can? So 60% say no. So what, that's 15, 17, 50. About 15 of you will be here. Okay, brilliant. I will send you the link then, because it's going to be on the Martyn Lucas Music Channel. Okay, and I will put the link for that obviously on the Martyn Lucas channel, the music channel. I mean, hopefully you've subscribed to that and rung the bell when I go live. But also I'll put it in the community tab. If you've rung the bell, you'll be notified of that information. I'll also put it in Discord and Twitter and everything at LinkedIn, all those other things that I use. And I will be live at 6 o'clock Central, 7 Eastern, 11 GMT on Sunday night for George's 80th, mid-80s birthday. I think it's 84. Anyway, everyone have a good weekend and have fun. That's it. I need someone to say, roll the credits, and we'll get out of here. Let's start the happy music. Let's start it off. We're all happy tonight. There we go. Start the happy music. She-do-boo. Take care. God bless. Ed Nivius. Love it. Let's hear it. Let's hear a roll the credits and we'll bring it in. And let's get into the close. Thank you very much indeed. Let's hope my phones come back to life, but I doubt it very much. Roll the credits. Let's do it. Dooby-doo-doo, shoo, dooby-dooby-doo-wah. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Absolutely right. Let's see who took part in tonight's show. Did we get any more subscribers? Let's have a look. Da-da-dee-da. See you, Martin. Roll the credits. Oh, my gosh. What? What? That? Oh, of course. We started the show again, didn't we? So we started the show again. And this show isn't catalogued. That's awful. That's depressing. I'm going to end the credits. That was the worst. The worst credits ever. The reason for that, where is the rules list? The rules for what? Where is the rules list? What is the rules list? Saber Pulse, what are you saying to me? What is the rules list? I'll answer your question, but I need to understand what is the question. What is the rules list? Lightning storm. Yeah, we ended up having to start the show again because we had a lightning strike just down the road, and even though I don't lose power or lose internet, it did wipe everything out, so we had to start again. So the show wasn't catalogued, doesn't have its description and its tags and all the things that make it work. Anyway, I don't know what he means by rules list, but that's it. I'm surprised anyone even found me or came back, so I'm thrilled to bits that we had somebody in. Anyway, I'll see you all back on Monday. Can I ask about crypto and decentralized stocks? You can, but unfortunately, we've run out of time, so we're going to disappear. I'll see you all back in the morning. All right, have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful afternoon. I look forward to seeing you Sunday night for Bill's, we just did Bill's birthday, for George's one-song birthday surprise. But until then, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely evening. And be safe. Take care of yourselves and each other.